Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today moral story is Rat and Elephant Friendship. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a rat named Remy and an elephant named Eli. Remy was a tiny, energetic rat with a big heart, while Eli was a gentle giant with a kind soul. Despite their vast difference in size, the two of them were the best of friends. Remy and Eli would spend their days exploring the jungle together. Remy would scurry along the forest floor, squeezing through tiny crevices and discovering hidden treasures. Eli, with his towering presence, would gracefully navigate the towering trees, providing a safe and comfortable ride for Remy. One sunny morning, as they embarked on their usual adventure, they stumbled upon a distressed lion cub named Leo. Leo had wandered too far from his pride and was now lost and frightened. Remy and Eli approached him, offering their help. Remy's quick thinking and agility allowed him to slip into narrow passages and find the best route back to the lion's pride. Meanwhile, Eli used his gentle demeanor and soothing voice to reassure the cub and keep him calm. Together, the trio embarked on a journey to reunite Leo with his family. As they ventured deeper into the jungle, they encountered numerous obstacles. Remy scurried through dense undergrowth, squeezed through narrow gaps, and even climbed trees to find the safest path for their group. Eli, with his massive strength, moved aside heavy branches and cleared the way for Remy and Leo. Along the way, they faced a treacherous river. The current was strong, and it seemed impossible for Leo to cross safely. However, Remy had an idea. He scurried up a tree and gnawed on a vine, causing it to fall into the water. Eli used his trunk to grip the vine, creating a makeshift bridge for Leo to cross. Finally, after a series of challenges and a long journey, they arrived at the edge of the lion's territory. The pride, alerted by Leo's distress calls, rushed forward, overjoyed to see their missing cub. Remy and Eli watched as Leo was greeted with warmth and love from his family. Leo's family expressed their deep gratitude to Remy and Eli for their selfless efforts. They praised Remy's intelligence and resourcefulness, as well as Eli's strength and gentleness. The animals of the jungle soon learned about the incredible teamwork and friendship between a tiny rat and a colossal elephant. From that day forward, Remy and Eli became legendary figures in the jungle. Their story spread far and wide, inspiring other animals to work together and highlighting the importance of unity, regardless of size or differences. Moral of the story: importance of unity, regardless of size or differences. True friendship knows no boundaries. For more stories, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.